In 1986, the Honda Transalp made its debut. The Transalp earned a reputation as a rugged, dependable all-arounder that could handle commuting, touring, and ADV duty during the decades of manufacturing and several model generations. Transalps were less aggressive, smaller, and more road-biased than their Africa twin brothers. With the new XL750 models, Honda has maintained this posture, but chassis and technological advancements should offer the new Transalp stronger off-road capabilities than its predecessors. The Transalp's design projects an unmistakable feeling of adventure touring in a package that works superbly on the road. The long-legged stance makes a strong statement of adventurous intent, while the fairing and screen work together to deliver wind protection without bulk. The overall look is sleek, simple and clean. The engine packs a great deal of Honda's engineering prowess into a small space and provides strong response across the rev range, just what's needed for either solo or two-up touring. The all-new 755cc parallel twin-cylinder unit, shared with the new CB750 Hornet, produces 67.5 kilowatts top power and a strong helping of torque right through the rev range, peaking at 75 Nm. Refined settings of the throttle-by-wire system orientate the engine character towards touring and comfort. The 4.5-gallon fuel tank and engine are held in place by a steel tubular frame. With an optional low seat that lowers to 32.2 inches, seat height is on the higher side of accessible at 33.5 inches. The tail carrier is a typical component. The Transalp boasts Showa suspension on both ends, including a ProLink rear shock system and a 43mm SFFC ATM inverted four-cup front. The twin-disc brakes on the 21-inch front wheel use two-piston calipers. It is possible to convert the rear brake ABS to off-road mode. Given the Transalp's road bias, it's a little surprising that Honda chose to offer it tube tires. The rich specification list is headlined by a 5-inch TFT color display, which supplies vivid information delivery and management of all systems, as well as the connectivity of Honda Smartphone Voice Control System (HSVCs) for Android and iOS devices. All lighting is LED, the indicators auto-cancel and also include emergency stop signal technology to warn other road users of sudden braking. In imagining the perfect lines for the Transalp's bodywork, the Rome R&D designer's aim was to strike a balance between aerodynamic performance and wind protection at speed, matched to a sense of lightness and freedom at low speeds. The concept tagline used throughout was friendly toughness. For open visibility forward and excellent wind deflection, the screen's height has been carefully optimized. Its compact width also minimizes turbulence from trapped air. A tall screen and upper-lower around the front and side of the screen deflectors will be available as accessories. The instruments comprise a 5-inch full-color high-visibility TFT screen, which offers 4 types of speed and RPM display, 3 analog rev counter styles and 1 bar, according to rider preference, as well as fuel gauge and consumption, riding mode selection and engine parameters, gear selected and customizable shift-up point on the rev counter. Management is via the screen and switchgear on the left handlebar. Seat height is low for the class at 850mm, an 820mm low seat is also available as an option, and the riding position is upright for natural control and leverage. The riding geometry also works well when standing up. A rear carrier is standard, and there's a USB socket under the seat.